Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Hey, it's Faye! Guess what we're doing today? It's Cooking with Faye!
방탄소년단 정국입니다.
Welcome back to Cooking with Faye, bitches. Finally. Cookie called me. Faye, it's time you get your priorities straight. Today's OOTD, Amazon, Halara. Tennis dress, pocket shorts underneath, your jewelry necklace for my friends, some rings to bedazzle. I was really holding back on doing this video because I didn't want to like mess up my diet. You keep telling yourself that because you have not been following your diet. You know, sometimes I just gotta let myself have a summer. Today, we're gonna try the Jungkook buckwheat noodle recipe that he posted. It's not that I'm behind. I just wasn't that intrigued. If it's one thing that you need to know, I hate raw egg yolk. Don't most of us? But today we meet someone new. And you're talking to her right here. For all Cooking with Faye's sake, we're gonna try if Jungkook is just finessing us. I hate to say it, but it better be worth it because I'm wasting my calories on this. I'm sorry. Just kidding. Time to get on our Donkey Kong. I do have two special guests coming. They'll help us judge if we actually like the noodle dish or do we like this only because Cookie did it. By the freaking way, my car is on the verge of dying. I love my car, but damn, has it caused me so much anxiety in the past few months. Don't tell them, but I just really needed the two people to come to be like my safety. If my car dies on the road, I don't know if I'll ever make it back home. First of all, let's clean this kitchen. Tell me you know this ultra 10-minute version, my Asians. The dishwasher is a drying rack. I know we're supposed to be cooking this video. We'll get there, relax. Relax, everyone, relax. But I kind of want to do my nails. I'm gonna put on these Glamnetics Nails. So quick shout out to them. Oh, I blew my fingernails everywhere. How we gonna eat? Wow, who finally made it? Are you ready to indulge in some nudes today? That is alright. It's the Jungkook one. Raw egg.
Immediately no.
No, honestly, I don't really know if I like it either. Oh my god, Miss Girl! Guess we're not taking my car because it wants to be a bit. This thing has given me so much anxiety. I'm not kidding you. I think I'm selling her. Look how cute my nails are.
Then we're not to the highway.
Why?
Why?
So cute. Wow, it feels nice to know how to drive.
I can feel people's energy.
What's my energy right now?
Anxious.
Oh, no.
Making me anxious.
Oh, this girl got 397 text messages, and I can't get one. We're at Fresh Market. Okay, we're heated because there's this person who was mad that we popped out of the parking spot. She's like,
It's just a parking spot. It's not that deep.
now we're like bothered. Nope. I forgot what I'm doing. There's nothing. I can't find the chom sauce. I went to go ask for help. I didn't even ask for the right thing. I asked for Gorilla Leaf oil, but I'm looking for chom sauce. Alex scared. Okay, we're at a different Korean store. We found it. We found it. We did. This is a sign. Yes. Green onion. Tomorrow? Okay. We'll do it without the chop. If anyone's not. I'm driving Marco's car because I'm the adult here.
The store owner is just watching us. Does this take you back to like Korea? 7-Eleven snacks.
By the way, this is a fake Cartier ring for $16. The original is like $2,000.
Not that anyone asked. Want to take this one? Okay.
First, we're gonna boil the noodles. This should take less than 5 minutes. Okay, here are the ingredients. Buckwheat noodles, bulldog sauce, seaweed, the precious perilla oil. The only thing we couldn't find was the cham sauce. The lady said it'll come by tomorrow, but do we have tomorrow? We don't. Live your best life today. Sous chefs, come here. Who's gonna be in charge of boiling the bulldog? You need to, wait, no, let's do
16 serving.
Damn.
Like 2?
Let's do...
Oh, there's 16 here.
No, there's 10 in there. Boil water for 4 to 5 minutes. Super shy. Fire this up for 5 minutes, okay? Then you have to rinse it in
Only
cold
5
water.
minutes?
Okay, now the sauce.
Do you even have eggs?
Do I have eggs? So we should do how much sauce? Like double it? I need you to go grab me 3 eggs. We're gonna make our own spicy mayo. Sriracha.
Sriracha shortage.
Kipi.
What?
QP mayo?
I was like, why don't you just use the little?
Hit the whites in the cup. Don't question the shot. But don't make a mess, Dana. Side eye. Now what?
That's a sauce?
Yeah. This is the sauce. Pour says 4 spoons of perilla oil. I'm assuming we're just using any spoon. It's just trash. Unfamiliar. 1. 3 times 2, guys, is, wait, 3. Remember, I have 3 in here. It's confusing because he says 4 spoon and then some people are doing 2 spoons. 4 spoons is a lot because that would be 12 spoons of oil. You know I'll be doing it. I'm following Skylar, by the way, and I don't doubt her at all. 12 spoons of this, that's like half the bottle. I forgot how much I put in here.
3.
4.
3.
4.
3.
No, I'm at 4 right now. 8. That's 12.
Can I mix it?
Can you give me a napkin? Ew,
Oh,
a new one.
Wiped my hands after I washed it.
Okay,
Please.
open this. Now we go put the noodles in. We're doing 5 servings. I think we should do 1 more pack, Mark.
Sorry. Mix, mix, mix.
I feel like we should just pour this whole thing in. How much of this are we putting in? What did I do? Don't be shy, come closer. Smells like fire. This looks nasty. Please don't judge me. 1, 3. Perfect. Wait, don't do it yet.
Yeah.
Where's my... Oh, the camera. Oh, it's over here? Perfect. That's all it took. We just don't have the champ. This is kind of gritty. It's the egg and oil not mixing. Keep mixing.
It looks good.
It just kind of looks hard to digest. It smells like your butthole is gonna be on fire after this, kind of.
Are you gonna eat all of it? Well, that's a lot.
I think you should do 1 more in the bowl. Like, okay, here. We'll like it. We can rinse it off.
I think people only use a little first.
We'll do half. This don't look like his. Oh, that's just egg. You have to take a thumbnail, guys. We can't taste it just yet. It's okay, we're not rush. Oh, seaweed. Go get seaweed. We'll cut on top. I'm so annoyed. I'm coming to you guys live from the office. I'm editing this video right now and I realized my first impression wasn't even caught on my video. Actually it was, but the file was corrupted, so there's no way of me like sharing that part. Let me just say my face went a little bit like this. Honestly, I was pleasantly surprised. Not as untasteful as I said it to be in my mind. I was just concerned it was egg yolk. It tastes creamy because of the mayo. I like that. I like the noodles orange sauce. It's just like a creamy Buddha taste. It's just so crazy. It's raw yolk. After a while, it tastes really good. I mean, better. I like the creaminess.
It's like Asian pasta.
I think I'm good. Oh, if we rate this out of 10, what would you guys rate it?
I'll give it a 7.
5, 6. I give it 6.5.
5, that's your 3rd bowl.
I feel like the actual dish itself is good.
6.5.
Like a 6.
What was your mark?
I give it a 7.
I didn't mean to bully you.
You know, it's not the full potential here.
I give this a... What am I comparing this to though? Maybe a 7, 6, 7. Would I eat this every day? No. Maybe once in a while you'll really like this if you like creamy pasta and you like the budok taste, because you mainly just taste that. No shade to cook the hook though. Cheers, one last bite. Don't you kind of feel like sick after a little? Too much? Maybe we need to watch our proportions. It's heavy. I like the perilla leaf oil taste. Time to cook some hot pot. This is just our appetizer. Should we rinse it? This is the leftover. Good job, Jungkook. Please don't fall. After we finish a bowl or 2 of this, Myra was like, does anyone else's stomach hurt? And I was like, I wasn't gonna say anything. Again, it was just heavy. Truly, I think it's because we have very immature taste buds. 2 of the 4 of us started to get a headache after this. To redeem, we made hot pot. green onion kimchi. Ow. So. Enoki mushroom is so elite. I'm kind of sad, man. Cookie, you kind of disappointed me. I was really hoping that would be delicioso, delicate. Just because I'm an experienced eater doesn't mean I know my shit. I don't. His taste buds are just too elegant for me. Let me know which K-pop dish we should try next. Until our next cooking video, I'm sending love. Bye.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Fridays.